Hi guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo and today is the 16th day of the 40 days challenge. So I'm feeling on top of the world today. Today we are going to make something very interesting with the vegetable that is so difficult to cook because I can't cook this vegetable without getting my hands stained, my clothes stained. But this vegetable makes for such a wonderful and nutritious meal or recipe that I can't stay away from it. So it is none other than beetroot, guys. Today I'm going to make beetroot tikki. It is the American version of a patty that goes into a burger. So we in India call it a tikki. So I'm going to make a beetroot patty or beetroot tikki. Let's see how it's made. It is a very difficult vegetable to make one fall in love with, but there are ways to eat it. Like, you know, take a beetroot and peel the skin. We will grate the beetroot now. Now steam the grated beetroot. There you go, guys. The beetroot is perfectly steamed now, so get it off the heat. Basin or the chickpea flour is perfectly roasted now. 1 cup steamed beetroot. Add half a cup of onions, few green chilies, a spoon coriander or dhania powder, black pepper powder, salt to taste, a spoon of jeera powder, few breadcrumbs, the roasted chickpea flour or the basin flour. Also add 1 spoon of rice flour. There you go, guys. It is perfectly mixed now. It does get a little messy when you're making the tikki, guys. Wash your hands thoroughly, and with your hands you can do and start. Add some oil for shallow frying the tikkis. Place the tikkis. Once it's cooked for 5 minutes on one side, flip it. Now cook it on this side for 5 more minutes. And our tikkis are now ready to get off the heat. There you go, guys. The beautiful beetroot tikkis are now ready. They are crispy, yummy, and absolutely nutritious. Let me taste one for you guys. My today's 2 cents is, my tip for a healthy relationship is practice open and honest communication, genuinely listening to your partner's perspective without planning your response. This is very important because it builds, firstly, it builds trust. Number 2, it resolves any kind of conflict. Number 3, it fosters understanding. And finally, and most importantly, it strengthens the emotional connection. Until I see you guys in my next vlog, bye-bye.